CI/CD? What are pipelines? What are artifacts? In my last episode, you have learned about source control. In this episode, I'm going to describe why that is a critical ingredient to CI/CD, and I promise it will all come together soon. If you haven't noticed yet, I've been giving you pieces and ingredients to form a nearly perfect recipe for a DevOps engineer. So stick around and get ready to learn about my favorite topic in DevOps, that is CI/CD. So let's get started. Hey everyone, this is Krishna and Minty. Welcome back to Riseintech. Please subscribe if you haven't yet to receive more updates. CI/CD means continuous integration and continuous deployment. It can also mean continuous integration and continuous delivery though. It depends on one stage in DevOps career or organization. One may be favored over the other. Let me explain this with some fundamentals. So here are some basic steps of software delivery. Source code is checked out, it's built, tested, and deployed. All these series of steps taken starting from the source code checkout till the deployment is called a pipeline. In DevOps, you make pipes. No matter where you are in our field, it's the core fundamental of DevOps, and it's pipelines. Continuous integration is an automated practice of code checkout, running tests, and building software development changes into the pipelines. Basically, software development changes are continuously integrating through the pipeline. The goal of CI is to produce a packaged artifact ready to be deployed to a server or a machine. Now, what is an artifact, you may ask? You can think of artifact as a byproduct of software development, neatly packaged and ready to be handed over to the pipeline. They are basically executable pieces of code, and they can be of any file formats like zip, war, tar, etc. CD starts where CI ends. The goal of continuous deployment is to deliver the packaged artifact into the dev, test, and production environments. CD automates this entire delivery process. Like I have mentioned before, CD is always interchanged for both continuous delivery and deployment, but there is a slight difference between. Continuous deployment is the act of your artifact traversing your pipeline via automation and ultimately deploying your code to the environment you selected. It's actually quite exciting. Continuous delivery, on the other hand, is where teams are not confident enough to push their code all the way to production automatically. So there are manual processes to trigger deployments to each of these environments.
Here is an example of how pipeline looks like in one of the most commonly used CI/CD tools, Jenkins. This is the pipeline script for the pipeline shown before.
CI/CD helps make the software delivery process more streamlined and reliable. Here are some examples of CI/CD tools: Harness, CodeFresh, Bamboo, Circle CI, Travis CI, Argo CD, etc. Choose what best is suitable for your use case. So are you ready to implement a CI/CD pipeline? Here are some quick steps for you. Pick a source control repository. Pick a tool. It can be same or different for the CI and CD. And create a pipeline script to automate stages of the pipeline and run your pipeline. While on the topic of CI/CD, here is a famous meme I wanted to share. Never do that. DevOps engineers are the plumbers of the tech world. They build pipes and are critically important and will always be well employed. Thanks for watching.